Jai Shri Ram, this is one of my trading idea. I have marked the extreme demand zone where the maximum number of buy orders was placed and remained pending, and I have placed a long trade in the demand zone. Stop loss below demand zone. My target is marked small trend line and wait for price to come in demand, and let's see how it reacts. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram to learn super advanced price action concept with demands and supply zones. If you are failed in trading candlesticks, patterns, indicators, and moving averages, which are so basic you can't trade on basics concepts, learn with me, trade with me. Well, trade is executed and see how the price is reacting from demand zone. Entry was too earlier and it will give me good risk reward. Higher is the time frame, higher will be the accuracy, and see the momentum. Minimum risk reward will be 1:3. Price is showing good momentum. It may hit the target now very easily as the target placing was done on the basis of logic. Target is not selected randomly. If you like video, share it to wider audience so that I make more logical videos for you.